Today we're headed back to my friend's house. He's got a 66 Corvette. He covered it up in the driveway in the mid-1970s. So it's been covered for 45 years. Hasn't seen the light of day. And we're going to uncover it. It seems that he's sold it to somebody and he's waiting for it to get picked up. And I wanted to be there and video the uncovering of the Corvette. I'll get back to you as soon as we get there. Well, we're down here on Mill Road today. This might be the day for the unveiling of the Corvette that's been covered up for some 45 years. And there it is. Supposedly, somebody's going to come get it, take it out of here today. It's been under these wraps for at least 45 years. Let's take a peek here and see what the 1970s paint job looked like. Wow. Amazing. Well, hopefully they come and we can unwrap this thing today. See what it looks like. Yeah, you can tell that's a Corvette under there, the shape of it. Wow, look at that paint job. Well, the front wheel is holding this cover down right now. True 70s paint job. We got the flared fenders. Last time it was registered 74 inspection sticker. Amazing. Now you look at it and you're like, wow. back window's been smashed. Yeah, this is a wild paint job.
Yeah.
Real 70s.
Yeah.
I'd be tempted to keep it just like it is.
This one's still got air in it. I'll get pictures of it. That'll make a lot. You know, when Jim and Lance were doing all this work on the car, they took all kinds of pictures. The body off the frame when it was just solid gold and everything. Yeah, we'll give you copies, and they never did.
Those rolls of stuff.
Back window's smashed out of it.
That's they call that kite. That's what they wrap windows in your house around. I don't.
Windshield is still good. We got all the side glass. 66 Corvette. Unveiled after 45 years. In hibernation, outdoors. Let's take a look under the hood.
Oh, the valve covers are gone. I forgot about that. Look at that. Manifold.
See if these headlight doors work. Oh yeah. Nothing inside.